Chrysler 300 SRT, and there's some speed bumps in the street. It's late, it's dark. I decided to take them a little faster than I should have. Now the car's not lowered, but the SRT springs sit low. 300 sits low, that's why it looks so good, right? Well, I took one of those speed humps a little too fast, bottomed out in the middle, and now I'm getting vibration from the engine. I can feel it. I can just feel it when I idle. It just, and it sucks. I'm pretty damn sure that I bent back one of those little rods that goes across the middle of the car and it's touching the exhaust. Let's go find out. All right, got the hundo up. Got it jacked on one side, supported. We'll go down there and see what's really going on. Got my vice grips here because they fix everything. Let me turn the light on. Hold up. Not available. No light. This one's fine. This one, however, is not so fine. I bent the life out of this one. It grabbed that thing and looked rubbing up against the exhaust, just like I thought. All right. Quick work. Well, pretty much got it kind of back to where it needs to be. It's ugly and it sticks down a little bit more than it did before, but we're not touching the exhaust anymore, so we're not gonna get that rattling. I might have the muffler shop put some heat to it, straighten it out, or I might go get a bar and fabricate it myself. I don't think we have any real issues, but this is how I did it. You can see the I used the oxygen sensor thing, kind of wrapped around it, and anyway, if you can get, you need a lot of leverage, just grab it like that, hook it on there. In many ways, you know, you can wrap it around both sides and kind of pull down on it. That's how I was able to reshape it and get it kind of back to where it needs to be. So that's it for today, friends. Thank you.